But I think Nora के बारे में सबसे अच्छी चीज ये होगी that she is always the hardest worker in the room. वो हमेशा रिहर्सल्स करेगी, सबसे जल्दी आएगी, सबसे लेट जाएगी. And उसका वही motto है to be the hardest worker in the room. And I think वो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है इनके बारे में.
She, according to me, is one of the best dancers I have seen. We all have seen, hands down. And जो ये पर्दे पे लाती है, oh.
Nora, this one's for you. Are you John Abraham ka lucky charm? Is she?
She will be. After the 15th, you'll understand why.
Name a celebrity you would like to steal some dance moves from.
I would love to steal some dance moves from Nora Fatehi.
She is, I like her. She's so crazy. She's always happy. She always makes people happy and hard worker.
Nora ka performance ho gaya. I was really looking forward to watching that. She's such an amazing dancer.
When they shot the song and I saw a couple of, the hook step and stuff like that, I went home and I tried doing that. I was like, she's like a rubber. She's so flexible, man. And then when I saw her, it's her debut as an actor as well. She's performed so well. And I was like, this is amazing. She's performed incredibly amazing.
Then we have Nora Fatehi doing all the moves.
Icing on the cake, right?
Absolutely. I think she kills it in this zone.
That's Nora Fatehi. She's absolutely smashing as a dancer and as a human being as well. It's the first time I got to interact with her.
I didn't teach her anything.
He did.
I learned a lot from her. I'll tell you something. She's got a very she is like she's a fun person.
Yeah.
She's like a fun person.
Yeah.
I am telling you, it's just the tip of the iceberg that the people have seen of her. It's just this much of what she really has in her that we have all seen, and I can't wait for everybody to just celebrate this talent called Nora.
Thank you so much.
I am so happy that she didn't try to match anything. She was Nora Fatehi and she was brilliant with it. You see a lot of remixes and a lot of coming back of older songs done not so nicely. I'm very proud of the way they did it. I felt that she brought her element of her roots and her form of dancing, belly dancing, her kind of presence to it. Look, Dilbar is an outstanding song, and we would want it for the newer generations to listen to and celebrate and dance to and sing along. So if that means every generation brings in another version of it and does it as well as they did it with Nora Fatehi, I'm all game. I think it's fantastic.
I love her. I literally couldn't take my eyes off. I'm not saying this because I'm sitting next to her. I couldn't take my eyes off her when she was, doing her moves.
Yeah, good.
She's elastic.
Yeah.
I don't know how she does those words. I mean, she doesn't have a bone in her body. She's so flexible and you love it. And she said she's not trained.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
She's not a trained dancer, and to do that without getting, the proper training, I mean, it's hard, and it's like she's a delight to watch when she dances. You can't take your eyes off this woman. She's amazing. She's beautiful and her expressions.
और बाकी जो 50% था वो Nora से है. Because the way she danced on it, the expression उसने जो दिया, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जो मैंने उसमें गिटार पार्ट भी बजाया, उसमें भी जो उसने expressions दिया है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो justified हो गया दोनों.
I would say that the main credit goes to her because the way she has actually justified the beats.
She's not a trained dancer, and I just can't believe. It's very tough for me to believe because she's so good at various different kind of things. Like in Dilbar, she did the whole belly dance thing, and here she's doing it with the fire. So it seems like she's a pro in dance, and she's trying these different forms. But I just got to know that she's not trained, but she's very passionate about her work. So I think that's the reason she just gets into it and focuses and gets it bang on.
Hard worker. When she was doing her solo, and she was dancing on the floor, her knees were bruised and she didn't stop. And that was the best thing I could see, and she's hot, beautiful.
She's very big, she's humble, down to earth. I'm so happy to work with her. Nora, she's so humble, she got that energy, She can explain to someone like, yo, we need to do this, we need to do that. What I like about her, she's a hard worker. She really wants that video to be good, to be big. So I really like that.
नोरा यहाँ के नहीं है, बाहर से आई हुई है, लेकिन जिस तरह से इन्होंने अडेप्ट किया है, the way she brings the screen alive, जिस तरह से उनके सारे गाने इतने हिट हो गए, पॉपुलर हो गए, she has a मतलब इनके रगों में डांस, इनके रगों में रिदम है. You are a brilliant dancer.
Means so much when I come out.
I think when Nora comes to the song becomes irrelevant because Nora becomes the song. And Nora is the Dilbar of this country.
Tell them how much you love me.
49 days of being real, Nora Fatehi spoiled it all in one day. The film changed.
सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि जब आप बाटला हाउस वापस गूगल करोगे तो फर्स्ट पर्सन's photograph will come will be Nora Fatehi after this.
مغربيه اللي قدرت توصل للنجوميه في بوليوود ما ساهلش. وكذلك فحتى خلال التصوير ولا من بعد التصوير كانت هي المنتجه ديال العمل كانت فريمون مدققه في التفاصيل ديال العمل.
नोरा फतेही उनके डांस की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है बिकॉज शी इज एन एक्सेप्शनल डांसर और इस फिल्म में उनके डांस स्टेप्स इतने डिफिकल्ट हैं और आपको लगता है इतनी आसानी से वो डांस कर गई. She is superb and her acting is also good.
She is the best hip hop dancer in the industry at the moment. I mean, we've seen her do belly dancing before, but she is just as amazing with hip hop and street style.
What's interesting is that Nora has clearly always made it clear that, you know, in every dance performance of hers, she wants to bring a unique twist, something which is not before seen on the big screen on the